Hi guys, Cheryl here, and I'm going to show you how to easily make a Facebook business page in just a few minutes. So you want to open up your Facebook. I'm on a desktop. The main page that it brings you to, your home page, that's where we're looking for. So if Facebook is already open, you're going to just push this button. That'll bring you home. On the left, go to Pages, and then Create New Page. You're going to name your page. Category, there's a lot to choose from. The ones that I usually recommend are maid and butler, janitorial service, and of course cleaning service. And then you have 255 characters to add a description to your page. And you definitely want to make sure that you include your location and a short description of the services you provide, and if you have any awards or any certifications. So here's an example. Okay, once you have your description down, you just click right here at Create Page, and that's it. Your page is created at that point. That took less than a minute. So now you can go in at your convenience and you'll be able to edit these photos, upload your logo, and edit your about section, add some videos. You want to invite your friends to like your page, and then just start posting daily. And that's it. Happy posting!